This is the solution for question 10 for the Linear Relations EQAO practice questions for grade 9 applied. And in question 10 it says, a new cable company has two plans. One has a fixed cost per month, and the other has an initial cost and then a cost depending upon how many shows have been watched. So there's a fixed cost plus a cost per show. Using the graph at the right, which of the following is true? Now, if you're taking a look at the question online or the downloaded PDF, I've added several things to this. All you see on yours is the Plan B line here, the Plan A line, and that's it. So I've added some to help with my solution here. So Plan A is cheaper is answer A. Plan A is more expensive if you watch less than 300 shows. Plan B is never cheaper. And then Plan B is cheaper if you watch more than about 300 shows per month. Well, the two lines, see, this is cost, and this is the number of shows watched. So Plan A starts at $20 and starts increasing. So it's the one that has a fixed amount and then a cost per show. So for example, at 150 shows, it's up to $30. They cross right here. So at 300 shows, they both cost $40. Plan B costs the same all the time. $40, doesn't matter if you watch one show or 500 shows, it's $40. So they're the same here. Plan A is actually cheaper under 300, and Plan B is cheaper above 300 shows, which is actually the correct answer. Plan B is cheaper if you watch more than about 300 shows. So B is the same, a similar answer, except it's actually got it backwards. It says Plan A is more expensive if you watch less than 300 shows. Plan A is actually the cheaper one there. So that's why B is kind of looks a little bit like D, but it would be the opposite. If you said more here, if the word more was there, then actually that B would be a correct answer. So Plan B is the cheaper one because at this point Plan A starts costing above 40, but Plan A is above 40, but Plan B is still a fixed 40 amount here, so it becomes a cheaper one if you watch more than 300 shows.